Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding NDT channel. So this video regarding how to do line checking. Okay. So in the line checking you have isometric drawing, you have PNID. So PNID is piping instrument diagram, and you have a flange drawing. Okay. So the purpose of this PNID drawing, you can locate easily to find your line. So example, this is your line, this highlighted line, and this highlighted line tapping from this vessel 001. So now you can go here from this vessel to locate this, to line check this line. Okay, and also the plan drawing, from the plan drawing you can check there what area. Okay, so this is isometric drawing. So we will start from the line checking. So from the line checking, check the easting and also the northing and also the elevation, okay, to locate this easily. Okay, so first you can start here. This is a blind plug. Check this blind plug, this is already installed, and check this check valve is, the important here is check the orientation of this check valve. So we have arrow here, so this is the orientation of check valve going here. Okay, so check also the joint, this already welded. Check the joint and check also this. We have a fittings here, 90 degrees elbow. We have a support. Check the support is already installed. So we have types of support. We have welded support and we have a clamp support. So check if this is welded type. Check that if this is already welded. If this is only tacking, put a category A. Okay. So check the joint here, and we have also tracing. So this tracing is category B. If not yet installed this tracing, if it from this support, if they have guide not welded from the pipe, so this only a category B. So only attachment from the pipe is category A. Okay, this is line checking, how to do line checking. So this very easy. And this is also a joint. Check also this joint, and we have a continuation. So this drawing 2 will go from continuation. Okay, we have a valve here. So this is a gate valve. Okay, check from here, this from the description, if this is correct orientation of this hand wheel. And also we have check the code number of this bulb, the size, and we have also a pounds there, and type of materials of this is, if this is carbon steel, or we have stainless steel also, type of bulb. So this is, we have also a self-relieving here, so this is a very important. Okay, this is self-relieving, so it means this self-relieving orientation is here. So check this. If the self-relieving is going from there, so this is not correct, so must be here from this arrow, the self-relieving. Okay, check the joint, and also just check also this blind plants. Okay, you can put category B if the blind plants is not yet installed. Okay, because they can install the temporary blind, and after testing they can install this a permanent blind plant. So this is how to line check. Okay, so note again, we have attachment from the pipe. So this all attachment from the pipe is all category A, and all guide support, and like this, and also this hand wheel only category B. So easy, this is not attachment from the pipe, this all category B. So all attachment from the pipe is category A. Okay, so this is how to line check, and thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So what is test package? Test package includes, okay, this is a test package, and the test package includes our, so we have this is a test package, and we have a cover sheet, and so includes the test package is test pack content, legends, and test manifold, VNID, piping list, isometric, spatial pipe support, NDE, PMI, PWC, ferrite, weld joint inspection, dimensional, and so piping, equipment, internal cleaning, reinforcing pad, blind plant. So this is the cover of this package. And on the next page, we have, so this is test diagram legend. Okay, so we have a test blind here removed, so this is a symbol. Okay, highest point, so pressure indicator, and lowest point test bed, filling point. Okay, this is a test diagram legend, and we have, so this is piping test isometric. So this piping test isometric, so include here the all isometric drawing, and also the VNID number, and we have description, test pressure minimum, test pressure maximum. Okay, you have a test pack number, and next, so this is a VNID. Okay, if you see this highlight, so this is our line to be test. So we have a test limit here. So if you see this flag, so this is a limit, test limit. Okay, test limit there, and we have 1 2 3 4 flag. Okay, so and we have a bulb, 1 2 3 4. We have a butterfly, gate bulb, so this, and we have a check bulb. Okay, and we can see here also the test pack number. Okay, and the line number, and where to be connected this line. So this is a vessel. Okay, so this line is connected to this vessel 1. Okay, so this is a VNID, piping instrument diagram. Next is So this is WIR, so welding joint report, or welding history, joint history. Okay, you will see here the plant number, the section, the line number, and we have a design condition, installation, so many here. We will see from this. This is the summary of this test package. Okay, we have NDT. So how many percent ND? If your ND is already completed and the joint is already completed, so this is done. Okay, so next is this is the isometric drawing. Okay, and this is our line, and this isometric drawing, we will see also this test limit, and we have a continuation. So this is the continuation of the line, and you can see also this is important. You must highlight the line to be test. Okay, and from this isometric drawing, we will see here the design pressure. Okay, we have a design pressure of, this is 1000 design pressure, and we have pressure type. Okay, all to be here in this box. Regarding all this description from this line is, you will see here, and we will see also from this description. Okay, next, the continuation of this is also isometric drawing. So this is the isometric drawing. Okay, also the isometric drawing, and also isometric drawing. This is the continuation of the line, and we have also a test limit here. This is a check valve. Lately we are checking the PNID. We will see the check valve. So this is the check valve from the PNID. Okay, and this is also the isometric drawing. This is the test limit from the valve, and we have valve, and this is weld neck flange and blind flange. Okay, so this is the test package included. We have also gauge, or calibrated certificate, or calibrating certificate of the gauge. We have a test manifold test to be attached also in this test package, and we have also water. This is what do you call that? Water test, or test of this is how many ppm, especially from the stainless steel. Stainless steel is important. The water ppm. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you understand regarding about this test package, and bye bye, have a nice day, see you in my next video. Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding and DT channel. So this video is line checking part 3. Okay, after finish line checking from the site, so you go back to your office and make it a fans list for the form. You have a form for the fans list for the test package. Okay, this fans list is to be attached in the test package. Okay, so this is a requirements. Okay, so you have a comment here. You have a comment from your isometric category A, support not yet installed. blind plans not yet installed, and you have comment of check valve, wrong orientation, so and so on. And then here is the example of my punch list. Okay, so this is a punch list. I will make a punch list from my comment in my isometric drawing. So I will show you how. Okay, so this is, we have number, description, and this is a punch list form example. So from here side we have a company, what company, and on the left side, on the right side, you have a subcontractor and the main contractor logo. Okay, and here you have a description and what category A here, A or B. Okay, and they have some legend here from the downside. Okay, if they have a comment from the piping, mechanical, civil, electrical. Okay, so from this punch list, number one, you have a comment here on this isometric. Let's say you have a comment. Let's say you have a comment here. So first, we have a bolt here because we have a blind and also welded plans. So just comment here. To reinstall bolts, nuts, and gasket. Okay. We have a first comment here. To reinstall bolt, nuts, and gasket after test. Okay, or after commissioning. Number two, you have a comment of blind plans. Okay, so blind plans not yet installed. So number three, number three, you have a comment from this check valve, wrong orientation. Okay, check valves, wrong orientation. Okay, wrong flow orientation. This or wrong orientation is means this is a check valve and our flow is like this. So we have a line here. So the flow is like this. The flow is this one, the flow direction, and they install like this. Okay, so this is not good. Number power, we have a support here. Okay, so support, not yet installed. So this support is welded type. Okay, this is pipe shoot, and they have a guide also. So number five, so we have a tracing here. So this dotted line is a tracing line. Okay, so comment here, tracing line not yet installed, to be installed after test or after test. Okay, so number six, so let's say we have a damage from the pipe, or let's say we have a tacking from the pipe, or remove tacking and conduct empty. Okay, Ah, so these two reinstalled bolts and nut gate. Okay, we have a finish punch list. Okay, now we will put a category, which what category A. So this reinstall bolt nut and gasket, this is category B. Okay, we have a category A and we have a category B. So this to reinstall bolts and gasket, this is to reinstall bolts ng gasket. So this is category B. So blank, danchet installed. So this is category B also. So check valve, wrong orientation. This is category A. And support, this is a welded type support. Type shoe, this is category A. So tracing line, category B. And this remove tacking from the pipe. They have a tacking from the pipe, big tacking. So this is to flash grind and conduct empty. So this is category A. And then after finish punch this, okay, then attach from the test package and make it first, uh, copy this punch, and then give it to construction to this comment is to be uh, correct it. Okay, so to install all not yet installed and all wrong orientation to be correct and conduct empty. Then after that, constructions already finished all category B, and then countersign both side here, both parties, countersign the QC inspector, countersign also here, and countersign also this category. Okay, so that's all for now guys, and thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding and DT channel. So this video is regarding how to do line check part 2. Okay, we start here. So we have a bolt here. Just comment the bolt here, to reinstall the bolt after testing, because we have a test limit here. So it means after testing, just put a permanent bolts. Okay, or after commissioning. Okay, check the joint is already welded. Check the joint here, must be a temp for permanent bolts and gasket. Okay, so why? So this is uh, inline, so this is not a breaking point, so this is must be a permanent bolts, nuts and gasket. Okay, and also if you see this symbol, so this is slope, so we have a slope of 0.20%, so you must check also the slope if they have slope. And we have a support here, so check the support. From the support details, if the support is correct based on length and also the height, type of support. Guide is only category B, and the other support welded on the pipe is category A if this is only tacking. Okay, so we have a support again here, and this is a joint. Check also the joint. This is important because sometimes joint is have a tape or masking tape. You must check it or remove the tape sometimes, because the tape that this joint is sometimes is tacking only, so you must check if they have tape. Okay, if this is already welded. Okay, so this is joint also. We have the slope here also 0.20%. Check the slope, and we have a support here. and check also the type of materials. The type materials is correct, the size, okay, and from here the size of bolt, the length, and the gasket must be correct. Okay, we will the orientation, this is important. If correct orientation based on northing, okay, easting, and also the length. If they have damage from the pipe, check also the pipe from the bottom, okay. Check if they have some excess tacking not removing, must be flash grind, and must be proceed for the NDT, okay, to check NDT. If they have damage from the pipe, from the tacking, must be NDT or empty, okay, magnetic test, proceed it, okay. So this is the important way to line check. You must check all from here. You must check here from the description if this all connected here is correct based on the description, okay, the size, the code, okay. So let's check for the continuation. So this is the continuation. So we have slope, and this is the support. Check the support details from the support. We have slope, and this is also support. Check also from the support details. This is a welded tight support. This is a trunnion, okay. So that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye, have a nice day. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So this is an example of as-builting. So I will show you how to as-built isometric drawing, okay. So we have an isometric here, and there are different orientation, of course, and you see this cloud. So this is a cloud, so it means they have changing of an isometric. So there are new isometric, they are changing orientation or additional joint, additional supports, okay, they have something like that. So this is an example of as built-in or as-built drawing, okay. During line checking, okay, during line checking, if you are line check in this site, okay, of course in the site, and if you see there are some additional joint, they have no here in the isometric drawing. Just put the remarks in isometric drawing, and then if you see, of course they are changing orientation, just draw temporary here using pencil, okay. And during line checking, you see they have additional supports, of course, additional fittings, because there are some additional fittings. They have some hindrance or support that coming up from this orientation based on isometric drawing. So this is the example of as-built. So this cloud, this line is an old drawing. It means during line checking, you see this orientation. So this is in the side, this is the orientation, and this on the isometric, this is the orientation. So this is the old and new orientation. Okay, so if you see this old orientation based on northing, so the north is going here based on this isometric drawing. So this is going to north, down, going to south, going to east, going to south, and down, going to south and down. So in the field, so this is the new orientation. Okay, from starting here, so this is the new drawing. Of course, this is, we will start here. Okay, so from this cloud, so this is going to north, and of course this is going to north. You see this all the orientation, they have no going to west, so this is going to west. So of course all joint here in the all the orientation of all joint, they are also changing the joint number. Okay, so we will start here. So this is a joint, this is a joint 23. Okay, and they have on this drawing, they have 23A. Okay, they have a 22. This is a 43A. This is a new joint, 44A, new joint, 45A, 46A. So they have a too much additional joints, and of course additional fittings. 46A, so this is a new joint. 35, 34, this is old joint. All that they have additional letter A. So this is a 41A, 42A, so it means this is additional joint. There are additional fittings, changing orientation. Okay, and then after you make a drawing based on field, the field, you must put a note here, so this is the note. Just put a remarks in this ISO and put additional joint as built by. If you are an inspector, just put your name and of course your signature, and then put additional joint 42A, 43, something like that, additional support 901A, 902A. So that is the way how to as built, and then go to engineering, and then signature and receive by engineering, and for construction. Okay, so this is if the inspector and also the engineering receive it and signature it, receive and forward it to construction. This is the new drawing and new revision drawing. Okay, so that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching. So this is the way how to as building isometric drawing, and bye bye, have a nice day, see you guys.